Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to unbox the Whitestone Dome Glass Premium Screen Protector for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. So this dome glass here has been always delivered a premium screen protector. I'm just going to unbox it and we're going to see what you're going to get inside this package. Now it is wrapped with this plastic film right here. Inside the box there are 2 packs of the screen protector. So I'm just going to open up the lid and see what we can expect to get inside. Alright, so inside this package we have 3 tubes of glue adhesive. This is the liquid adhesive. There are 3 tubes in it. We do not need 3 of them. Each time you install the screen protector you only need 1 of this glue. The other one is this for the second screen, and then you have an additional glue adhesive as a backup. So if you mess it up the first time, you can use this as a backup. Alright, so you have another package here. This package is the screen wipe and the absorber pad. So this wipe here will allow you to clean the screen and remove the dust before you go ahead and install the dome glass. We also have a rubber weight right here. There is a rubber weight, and then we got the installation tray in here. We are having new installation tray this year, and with the absorber pad on the side here, there's another 2 absorber pad in here, and inside this box there's also a few absorber pad. Alright, and we move to this side here. There is a UV light. So if I open it, there's this UV light. We are using it to cure the adhesive gel on the screen. So it is using a USB-C port right here. It is using a USB-C port this year, and there is also a preset button for 15 seconds and 30 seconds. So when you press on this button, it will go on for 15 seconds, or if you press on the button twice, it will stay on for 60 seconds. There is no USB cable, so you can use one of the USB cable that comes with your phone. So your phone already have a USB-C charging cable. We can plug that into your UV light and we use that cable instead. Now below this tray is the masking tape. So we have actually two set of masking tape, and there is a more masking tape for the front ear speaker. So this is used to protect the front ear speaker. It is very crucial that we use this masking tape to cover up the ear speaker at the top of your phone, because at the top here there is a very thin gap that allow you to use the ear speaker. If this gap is covered by the adhesive, it can block up and damage your ear speaker. So it is vital that you use this masking tape to cover up this part right here. Alright, now we move to the final bit, is the screen protector itself. Inside here we have 2 packages of the screen protector, the 2 tempered glass. Now if we pull out, you can see the tempered glass is very thin and shiny, but once it is installed, then you will have a superior screen protector on your Galaxy S23 Ultra. It is very smooth. Once you install it, you will not feel as if there is a screen protector on your phone at all, because of the smoothness and the premium quality that has built onto the screen itself, as I have been previously using for the last model on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. So I have no doubt it will be the same quality this time. But in terms of installation, it can be a bit of time. You need to spend some time to prepare your phone, and the installation process can take some time. But if you follow the correct instruction in installing this premium screen protector, I'm sure you will have a very long time enjoyment of using the screen protector with your Galaxy S23 Ultra, as well as providing the protection for your screen. And that's it. That is everything inside the box, I suppose. Thank you for watching this video. please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and in the future I will provide installation videos if you are curious of how to install this screen protector on your Galaxy device. Thank you for watching.